Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us see one of the important condensation reaction, that is benzoin condensation. If not subscribed to ChemEasy, subscribe now to learn chemistry easily. When benzaldehyde heated with aqueous ethanolic sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide undergoes dimerization and forms alpha hydroxy ketone. This alpha hydroxy ketone is called as benzoin. This kind of reactions involving self-condensation of an aromatic aldehyde in the presence of cyanide ion as a catalyst is known as benzoin condensation. In the given example, two molecules of benzaldehyde dimerized by heating in presence of aqueous ethanolic cyanide ion as a catalyst. It gives a benzoin. This benzoin consists of hydroxy group on alpha carbon atom, that is the carbon which is alpha to the carbonyl group. A very simple mechanism involved in benzoin condensation. In this condensation reaction, cyanide ion acts as a nucleophile. This nucleophile added to the carbonyl carbon atom of one molecule of aromatic aldehyde, that is nucleophilic addition takes place and produces unstable anion. This unstable anion consists of negatively charged oxygen atom. Then there is a proton transfer, that is a proton transferred to the negatively charged oxygen atom within the molecule itself and gives a resonance stabilized carbanion. In next step, this resonance stabilized carbanion added to the carbonyl carbon atom of second molecule of aromatic aldehyde and produces a new anion, that is intermediate addition product. This intermediate addition product consists of negatively charged oxygen atom. Here again within the molecule proton transfer takes place. It means from the hydroxyl group the proton is transferred to the negatively charged oxygen atom, followed by dissociation of the leaving group gives benzoin as a product, that is alpha hydroxy ketone. So here the leaving group is cyanide ion.